Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Vel Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block is finally here. I'm gonna be making you guys a Vel Dogg super delicious hot dog. Okay, that's what we're gonna be making. All right. So remember, I made the jardiniere, homemade jardiniere. I've been using all this stuff. It was way up here. It's really good. I ain't gonna lie to you. Okay, so that's this right here, in this bowl right here. All right. So you're gonna need some hot dog, whatever kind of hot dog you use. These are Oscar Mayers. You're gonna need some Italian dressing. And if you don't have that, you can use some red wine vinegar or regular white vinegar. All right. All right, you're gonna need some relish. Put this over here to the side. You're gonna need a cucumber, like maybe a half a cucumber, okay? For this amount I'm making right here. This is probably like maybe about 6 or 7 ounces. So we're gonna use half of that. You're gonna need an onion. These are just onions I had left over, like a medium-sized onion, right here. You're gonna need tomatoes. All right. You're gonna need some garlic, and you're gonna need like a quarter of bell pepper. All right. All right. So let me go ahead and put this to the side, and we can go ahead and start chopping up some of this stuff. And I also have a bowl over here if I can put my other stuff in, because I'm gonna have to chop that down too. All right. So let's get started on our. We start with the bell pepper first. So we're just gonna cut this nice and thin, so you can do what I'm doing. I want you guys to make these. Now, if you don't want to make the jardiniere from scratch, you can always buy it at the store, at the grocery store. That's how I started out doing it. And then I said, you know what, I'm gonna make my own sauce so I can call it mine. Okay? So we just want to get some of these big pieces diced up a little bit here. Like that. Take this. Just gonna put that in the bowl. Alright, we're gonna come with our onion. Those in the garbage. Take these and put them in a bowl. Alright, got my garlic. Smack on that. Ain't nothing like some fresh herbs. Alright. Turn it around. I'm telling you, every time I take this like to function, it don't last at all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm like, they be throwing it on their burgers and all type of stuff. I'm like, man, what are you doing? Going on the hot dog. You like, man, this stuff tastes good. I'm gonna put some on my burger, on my chili dogs and all this stuff. I'm like, okay, whatever. Alright. So we're just gonna put that over there in a bowl. Like so. Now since I just chopped up this garlic, I'm going to wash this knife off. I'm coming with my cucumber. Right there. I leave the skin and everything on here. Tastes good. I'm gonna leave that part. Just like that. Put that one to the side. See if I can get another little piece of them. Okay. All right. Put this in a bowl. My other veggies. All right. I'm gonna do this tomato. Cut it like so. You can cut it this way as well if you want to. Come in there like this. That's what we're looking like right here so far. With all the other vegetables on the bottom and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this up, finish cutting up this tomato, and I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to get another bowl. This bowl ain't gonna fit, so I had to get a little bit bigger bowl. So we wanted to take this stuff right here, pour it out on deck, just like this. We're just gonna give it a chop. Now, if you want yours thicker, you can keep it thicker. But it's a relish. So it's up to you. All right. I'm just trying to cut down these bigger pieces real quick. That's all we're gonna do. Just chop it on just like this. So for those that don't know, I will leave a link to this recipe in this video. If you want to make your own relish, you can do so. And it tastes real good. All right. You just take this, put it in this bowl right here. You store this in your refrigerator for a long time. I'd say at least a week. But you may not keep it for about a week because you want to eat it. I'm trying to tell you. You find something, put it on pizza and all type of stuff. All right. So that's that. On that, let me get this paper towel. Like this off. Across here. Take this right here. We're just going to dump that in the bowl. Now, of course, if you want yours super spicy, you're going to have to put more cilantro. I said cilantro. More serrano peppers. All right, that's what we're going to do. We're going to take our cilantro. This is probably about a teaspoon anyway. Put that in there. We're done with that. We're gonna take our, this is just parsley. This is another teaspoon of that. We're gonna take our salad dressing, which is Italian. Shake it up real well. We're gonna pour that in there. We do like a quarter cup, like that. Just mix this bad boy up. And if you want to be making this, you can do this like a day in advance. The longer you let it sit, the better it tastes. Yes, this is super delicious. Show you guys how that looks up close. See that? All right. Let me taste this. Actually, it's perfect. I don't even put nothing in there. Magnificent. That's perfect. I'm making these hot dogs for a game day. Yeah, you ain't got to put nothing in there. Oh my God. That's good. I'm gonna put the rest of this juice in there. Oh my goodness. Ooh-wee, said the wolf. Alright, so we did that. Got the sauce down. We wipe this down a little bit. Now, you can take these hot dogs out the package if you want to and cut them, but I always score mine. So this is what I'm gonna do. Go just like this. Just easier to do it like this. All right. See how I'm turning it over? And I'm gonna air fry these bad boys. All right. So that's all we doing right there. You can take these out the package. Just like that. We're gonna put it in the air fryer and cook these bad boys for about good 5 minutes on 300 on the air fryer. And I'll show you how to dress it up. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Hot dogs done. We're just gonna go ahead and fix these up because I'm running out of time. How they look, you know, just like that, guys. I'll give you guys a close-up look or whatever. How they look. So, sorry if it's blurry. So you want to take you some sweet relish. Put a little of that on there. Just give it a little sweetness to it. Like that. Take you a little mustard. A little bit now. Don't get carried away unless you're just a mustard lover. Just like that. Then we want to take our relish. Mix that up a little bit. Come in there just like so. You can thank me later when your kids bite into this, or your friends or family. So remember, this is my own creation. I made this up like, I don't know, about 9-10 years ago or something. Okay. There we go, right there. So, that's it right there. Vel Doggs, which is my name. Let me show you that up close while we're running my mouth out. All right. That's how we looking. Hold it down like this. A little bit. All right, guys. So, there you go. If you like this video, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please, of course, don't forget to hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time at Vel Dogg Kitchen. And I'm out of here. God bless all.